dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat. You like that? Okay, check this out. Get out. My friend Kim loves to shop. She had mentioned in her video that she wanted people to show her how to put Gorgeous Girls together, and I agree. They're hard. If you don't have the picture, or you can't find the picture if you bought it from you know where, then you don't know. You don't know what's going on. I have a stash that I built a while ago, like a long while ago, but I'm going to show you those. And then I also have some over here. Like, I think I put my Pretty Mermaids. Now this, I'm going to show you. There's no wrong way or right way to put a girl together. This girl, she didn't come with anything but a body, I think. And I used eyelashes from a different girl and pieces from another. This one, she needs some work. That one might have had some missing pieces from you know where. This one, she's tiny. But let me show you. I want to show you what else I do. Look at this one. These are so pretty. She's pretty. And this one. This one, I like her. What I do now that I have gotten smarter, I have a folder in my phone. So when I'm down here crafting and I want to know what I'm making and what I bought, then I click on it. And then I can say, oh, okay, that's how that goes together. So I think, do I have the girl right now? One of the girls we were going to put together. I don't know where oh, here she is. Okay, so I have a folder in my phone so I can look at it while I'm making her. Okay, I thought that would be really helpful. And I know that our friend Bonnie at Bonnie's Corner, she prints her pictures out. Like when she buys dies, I know I've seen her print them out, and then she can reference that. So, these are just some of the girls that I've made. Look at those eyes. Some of them are questionable. She's cute, but she's a little different. Some of them might not be my fault. Some of them might be, you know, whose fault, because they're not giving me everything. Now, I cut out this girl and this girl. Let me show you. These are all the dies for, you know, I don't want to say it, you know, because they're not technically Gorgeous Girls, but now this girl is that and this girl is that. So I'm going to show you these two girls today. Some of these things I have not even made. Like that's a boy, there's a cloud, there's a zebra, a horse. I love her. She's a little pirate. She's a little bonjour, mon chéri. She is super cute. She's a unicorn girl. Mad Hatter, a book girl, teacup girl. I think I put two together. Like that's her holding a bunny. I don't know what that is. Maybe, I don't know. See, that's what I'm saying. It's like, I don't know what that is. So I'd have to go back and look at one of my pictures and be like, I think that's a neck. That must be part of a dress. Like, see, now I know you can go on Pinterest, maybe search in, I love her, on YouTube and type in, but I have all these. So I'm going to do two for you guys, but if you see any and you're like, oh, I don't know how to do that. And then this one I have. Maybe I can help you. See, like these are, that's one girl, that's two, and that's three. And I use eyelashes off of this one. These are like the 50s or 60s girls. These are bodies. And you have to, you know, do whatever. I put her together. I don't think I've done her yet. And I definitely haven't done that. And I definitely haven't done that. Those are from Bonnie, I believe. And I have not done her. And she kind of looks like one of those Russian stackable egg girls. Is that what they call them? You know what I'm talking about? Okay. So let me make sure, because I'm gonna sit down. Maybe we really need to. So I'm gonna say 4 and 9. So as long as I'm in between 4 and 9. Okay. So I put these. I always cut the heads out. Do you see that? Do you see that little tiny arm? These are brats, I'm telling you. But I love it. I love paper piecing. How far over can I be? 9. Well, sorry, I don't ever just sit down, and I usually am able to see. Okay. I'm gonna leave her arms in there. I always typically use, or start with the head, and I always typically cut out 2 hairs. Okay. Why is that bent? So sometimes you see how I cut her head off. Yeah, my die cutting plate's stupid. So I'm going to like off center it, just so it gives her look like she has more hair and more full. I'm gonna do like that. And then I'm gonna do her head. Now typically I don't, because I don't mind, but if you do, you can put some colored cardstock behind her eyes, or you can color, which we can do that last, color her her eyes. And then I kind of like to do this type of, well, maybe I shouldn't have done her hair like that. Oh, let's do her arms first because they're brats. Okay. Oh crap, I did that wrong. See? I want to do it like this. So glue it at the top, so it looks like it's hiding. And it's so tiny. You see how it looks like it's hiding? Like that. Could have went in a little more. Okay, now this one. Ah! I think I put it on the wrong side. Well, guess what? She's a special type of girl today. She's hiding. Okay. Now, do you see how there's holes? If you wanted to, you could back it and make sure that they're not see-through. Sometimes I care, sometimes I don't. Now, I could do like this to hide her neck. So, oh, sorry guys. I'll glue like that. And go in between. And really try to hide your neck, lady. How did I do that last time? Ah! Oh, the bow. I think the bow will be fine. The bow will hide her neck so she doesn't look like her head's hanging off. Okay. So now we're gonna do this bow. That's gonna be on her little neck. There we go. And then we have her little bear, and that showed it was popping out of her pocket. So what you could do was cut another dress in a different color and have just cut the pocket out of the second dress so it looks more dimensional, so it's just not like a bear. Like I said, I've never made this one before, so I'm not too... What? Really? Let's try that again. Let's try that again. There. Then we have the feet, and make sure, unlike the arms, the feet that are going. They always kind of turn in, her little feet do. Yeah, her little feet are always turning in. So I always, yeah. And then I don't want it to see behind where those little holes are. So be conscious of that. Okay. And make them so they look, ah, my gosh, today, this glue. Let's see, there we go. So she kind of has a cute little stance. And then the last thing is her hair bow. Now I keep my scraps till I never have any more use out of them. I think we'll do it this way. And that's how I cut all these. I think that's perfect. So she's supposed to look like, you know, her little feet are turned in and her hands are behind her back. So that's cute. So there's one. Now we'll do this at the end. Oh, my stuff just fell. What is stopping me? Oh, okay. What I always do, I use these cute little things to give them earrings, but let's do this one next. This one has a little bit more pieces. Let's see, her head first. So let's do her head up. Like that. And you have to watch out because some of these do have necks and you don't want to make it. Sometimes the necks go under, sometimes they go over. It just depends. So I try to be careful. And I like doing their hair double so it looks like the wind, you know. They just have fuller hair. See, she has a neck. Let's do her arms. Let's make sure. I think that one goes there. And then you go behind, kind of hide it. They always have their arms kind of tucked behind on these girls. I haven't made these in so long. When Kim said that on her video, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do that for her. Cause you know what? I can guarantee you she isn't the only one. And you can improvise. Like if you see a bow, like if I wanted a bow on from, you know, her, I could put it on her, why not? But I think she has pigtails. No! There we go. Okay. These are always tricky because that's what I'm going to show you. I made this one. Okay. Once again, you can double that up if you want so you don't see the holes. But this goes like this, okay? So we're going to do a little bit here. And then like that. Make sure the sides are lined up. Like that. Now these are her feet. These are one piece. I know that can confuse people sometimes. Do you see how this has a slit? You want to do it like that. So let's put that. Let's get the slit open. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to try to be cautious of the holes. Oh, good thing that didn't stick. She would have looked like she had freaking feet over to the left. She was doing the cha-cha slide and stuck on the left. To the left. Oh, I cracked myself up so much. Okay, so now we're going to do it on her neck. So let's do that, and then watch out for her hair. You see how cute that looks with her hair in the front and hair in the back? So do that. I think I'm still in frame. Hope I've been in frame. Okay. Now we're gonna do, these are shoes. Don't they look weird? You would have never known. Well, some people. But if you see this die for the first time, you're like, what in the heck are those things? So then you put it right there. Cute. Now this is a collar. This is her cute little collar. Isn't that cute? Okay. I think this goes here. It must go there. Because I don't think, it's not a headband. I'm almost positive it goes there. I could be wrong, but like I said, if you want her to have a headband, she can have a headband. And I think this, like this one, if you wanted to just have a big bow, but I think her bow is supposed to be right there. And if I'm wrong, then I am taking my creative, what is it called? Artistic license. And doing what I want. Okay, these are tiny little bows. And they're gonna go on our pigtails. Here's one. Ah, let it go, Elsa. Oh my gosh. I know you guys are screaming at me. Okay, so let's push that there. And then the last one. I don't know how long this video is, sorry. Okay, and then we'll put that there. Now, I love to dress them up. These were from Hobby Lobby. I did get them on sale. I never, you know. So I take, and I'll do like this. Like sometimes I'll put little gems on her feet, or I'll put it in the middle of a bow. How cute is that? And I push it. Or I do earrings. But I think this will be really cute, like this. One. Ah, come back. There we go. See? Aren't they cute? And we'll do a diamond on the other bow. I love them. Now, like I said, I always push them down because they always fall. If you don't like your eyeballs, we can blacken them in. Cute, right? And then sometimes you can put little earrings right there. But there they are. I hope you guys saw most of it. This is a 20-minute long video. I'm sorry, guys. I got too carried away. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. Comment, email me, comment, whatever. If you want to see me do more of these type of things, if you saw what I already had and you don't know what you're doing, I will help you. Kim, I hope you like that. Bye, guys.